Cadillac, a comprehensive overview. Cadillac, a division of the American automobile manufacturer General Motors, GM, is known for producing luxury vehicles. Founded in 1902 by William Murphy, Lemuel Bowen, and Henry M. Leland, Cadillac has built a legacy of innovation, performance, and luxury. Here's a detailed look into Cadillac's history, design philosophy, technological advancements, current lineup, and future direction. Historical background. Founding in early years, Cadillac was named after Antoine Lomé de la Motte, Sieur de Cadillac, the founder of Detroit. It quickly established itself as a premier luxury car maker by focusing on precision manufacturing and interchangeability of parts. Innovation and milestones. Cadillac was the first American car to win the Royal Automobile Club of England's Dewar Trophy by demonstrating the interchangeability of its precision parts in 1908. The brand introduced numerous innovations, such as electric starters, clashless manual transmissions, and the V8 engine. Design philosophy. Cadillac's design philosophy combines elegance, performance, and innovation. The brand's vehicles are known for their distinctive styling, characterized by bold lines, a signature grille, and advanced lighting technologies. The design aims to reflect both sophistication and cutting-edge technology, appealing to a luxury market. Technological advancements. Cadillac has been at the forefront of automotive technology, pioneering several innovations. Magnetic ride control. This adaptive suspension system adjusts the shock absorbers in real time, providing a balance between comfort and performance. Super Cruise. Cadillac's semi-autonomous driving system offers hands-free driving on compatible highways, utilizing LiDAR map data, a driver attention system, and real-time cameras and sensors. V-Series performance. High-performance versions of Cadillac models feature powerful engines, sport-tuned suspensions, and advanced aerodynamics. Current lineup. Cadillac's current lineup includes a range of sedans, SUVs, and performance vehicles. 1. Sedans. CT4. A compact luxury sedan offering sporty performance and modern amenities. CT5. A mid-size luxury sedan that combines elegant design with advanced technology. CT6. A full-size luxury sedan known for its spacious interior and powerful performance options. 2. SUVs. XT4. A compact luxury SUV with a stylish design and versatile interior. XT5. A mid-size luxury SUV that offers a balance of performance, comfort, and technology. XT6. A 3-row luxury SUV that provides ample space and premium features. Escalade. Cadillac's flagship full-size SUV, renowned for its opulence, advanced technology, and powerful V8 engine. 3. Electric vehicles. Lyriq. Cadillac's first all-electric SUV, showcasing the brand's future direction with a focus on luxury, performance, and sustainability. 4. Performance. CT4V Blackwing. A high-performance version of the CT4, featuring a powerful engine and track-capable enhancements. CT5V Blackwing. A high-performance version of the CT5, equipped with a supercharged V8 engine and advanced performance technologies. Future direction. Cadillac is committed to an all-electric future, with plans to introduce a range of electric vehicles over the next decade. The brand's strategy focuses on sustainability, innovation, and maintaining its legacy of luxury and performance. Ultium platform.